going through this town, there is not a single building that doesn't have some type of damage. I mean, we're talking from just boarded up a couple of windows to completely devastated. I don't want it to seem like I'm making light of the situation here. I'm just amazed. I've never seen anything like this before. Right, it is about 20 minutes to 9. A little bit later than I wanted to be on the road, but that's kind of a recurring theme here anyway. I just checked out of my hotel, looked at the map. I got a scenic route to start in the morning, and then I'll finish up the day on I-10, which also seems to be the pattern for the trip. It's a little overcast here in Beaumont, Texas. You know, hopefully that will just burn off as we get going. So let's go. There's a ferry crossing here, so I'll get to load the bike up just like Ewan and Charlie and cross whatever body of water this is. There was no drama in trying to find trying to get here on time like they always have, but you know, still fun. Alright, I guess let's go. This is cool. I'm trying to remember when the last storm was that came through here, because there's a lot that's just destroyed. I mean, the fences were all knocked down. They were redoing the beach, pushing the sand back. I came across that earlier. I mean, like all this. I saw, like, you know, buildings destroyed over this side of the road, and then like debris blown onto the other side. I'm just wondering how long it's been like that. I mean, look at that. I'm assuming this was a hurricane. I just don't know which one. There'll be just a house and it's gutted, or there'll be no roof, or like there's the slab where the house used to be, and there's just nothing anymore. Another one. God, that's terrible. I looked it up at lunch at the Anchors Up Grill. This area had 5 named storms last year. The most recent one was a Category 2 hurricane in October. So, I mean, this is all pretty recent. Just not expecting that here. There does seem to be a lot of rebuilding going on. Took the GoPro off my helmet a little while back, but then I crossed into Mississippi and didn't get a chance to get a picture. That was the first state sign I missed. Luckily, at the visitor center, welcome to Mississippi. So that's it for day 6. I must have been really hungry that day because I went right to dinner and didn't record any kind of wrap-up video. Now, the hotel was pretty cool. It was over 100 years, 150 years old. Stay tuned for the last day when I'll ride most of the day in the rain and all of the day on I-10.